Chico!
Yeah! It's always crooked. Oh well, F it.
Hi, Sparkle.
Sunshine.
And today we are going to do the yoga challenge.
Yay!
I'm in yoga pants.
Jeggings. Oh, that was good.
Yes. Yes. Now, give us a second. We're gonna go find the.
We're gonna look at them and then do it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah! Okay, next one! Apparently this is yoga, according to Tumblr.
But Tumblr is sometimes not always the right. It's just like, actually it's more like this.
Oh.
We call this one the sushi one.
Just lay down, Caitlin. You lay on me.
Done!
Did it!
Wait, you got it?
Yeah. Go up.
Oh, I'm too scared I'm gonna hurt you.
You're not. Go.
Done!
Did it.
Okay.
Yeah. Try to get our faces to come up here.
Oh, okay. Oh man, careful. What I have to do? Just
Yoga!
Yeah!
is that it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just
Hi!
stop it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That wasn't exactly yoga.
Oh,
I guess that's enough for today, guys.
yeah.
So the last one, we were gonna do a different. We were gonna do a different pose, but then we were like, no, she'll end up falling. Like, nah. We ended up doing just getting on my shoulders. It's more like cheer. Same thing. Yeah. Okay. See you next time, guys. Remember, this is Sparkle.
Sunshine!
All right.
Stay tuned! Like the news thing.